Dou Ling contains the AA acid, aristolic acid. In Chinese, that acid is called Dou Ling酸. Dou Ling酸. So this is a herb. That can cause renal failure. Have this in mind first. And Dou Ling, the Latin name, you just call Fructus Aristolochiae, something like that. Aristolochiae. And that acid is called aristolic acid. That can cause renal failure. It's originally from this herb. And that acid exists in many herbs like Fangji, Mutong, and so on. Read after me. Ma, Dou, Ling, Dou Ling, Dou Ling. This is a herb. It looks like what? Actually, like a bell, right? And Ma means horse in Chinese. Dou means, if you have a horse, in the body part, you got to have something below the belly. What's that called? Kind of what? Dou.
Harness.
Cradle.
Saddle? No.
Saddle. Who knows?
Is it?
But sometimes we have some bells hanging here, because it looks like the bell there is called Dou Ling. Dou Ling. See that? And for this herb, Dou Ling is a bitter and cold herb. Or whenever we say bitter and cold, we mean something serious. So this means Dou Ling can clear or purge lung heat. But Dou Ling is also a herb that contains this acid to cause renal failure. So have this in your mind. And because it's bitter and cold, Dou Ling can also cool blood to stop bleeding. But that function is used for hemorrhagic bleeding only. Hemorrhoid bleeding. Is used for this. So have these 2 points in your mind. And according to Western modern research, Dou Ling can also lower blood pressure. In taste and properties, it's bitter, pungent, and cold. Bitter and cold. And in meridian tropics, again, we have the lung, we have the large intestine for that 2 major functions. Well, in functions, bitter and cold means it can clear heat. It is pungent. It can also purge heat or purge fire. So in functions, Dou Ling, we say clear lung heat, and it also dissolves phlegm. To do what? To relieve cough and dyspnea or difficult breathing. In the clinic, actually, Dou Ling should be mainly used for the case with lung heat stagnating or accumulating in the lung. And this can cause, for example, patient may have fever, but together with this, patient may have cough, dyspnea, and also there could be like thick phlegm, right? Difficult to expectorate. And because the heat stagnates, lung qi cannot go out smoothly. Sometimes the voice could also be hoarseness. Hoarseness. could be hoarseness, voice. So the key idea to understand the indication of Dou Ling is a call for dyspnea due to heat stagnating in the lung. And because of the stagnation of lung qi cannot go out smoothly. That's why there could be hoarseness, there could be difficulty expectoration of the plant. And for patients with typical case of this, or when there is heat together with phlegm, lots of phlegm in the lung, you can use Dou Ling together with like herbs purging lung heat, 黄芩、瓜蒌、白夏、贝母, and so on. You can use this herb together. They are all the herbs for phlegm heat. 三白皮 purge lung heat. Remember this? Purge lung heat. So, in your mind, you should have a kind of picture for each herb, for the indication of each herb. Like Dou Ling is more used for a lot of heat together with phlegm stagnating in the lung. So there is strong sense that the lung qi is blocked. So patient has cough, difficult breathing, hoarseness, and so on. So this can be more the typical case. But if the heat is too strong and damage body fluid, damage blood vessel, or if in the phlegm there is blood, patient cough blood, or there is blood stain, phlegm, together with lung heat. And here, you can again use Erjiao. Remember, Erjiao can stop bleeding. Erjiao can also nourish lung yin. And sometimes when the heat is very strong, the strong heat and also the yin deficiency may happen together. Then you, on one hand, need to clear heat. On the other hand, Dou Ling actually can cool blood. That's why we say Dou Ling treat bleeding in hemorrhoids. So you can use this herb together, That's more the major application of Dou Ling. Strong heat stagnating in the lung together with phlegm.
Dr. Liu, is this with the wind? Is that just external wind mostly?
Where is the wind?
Where it says for some of, I'm trying to find this other one, but there was like a mention of like wind for most of these. This is external wind attack.
We didn't mention wind for this herb.
Maybe not this one. Maybe it was the one before, but I was just kind of. Oh yeah, for the one before this, I can ask you later.
Oh, for that, that wind dryness heat are all external.
Yeah. Okay. I was just double checking.
Yeah, of course it should be exogenous.
Yeah. Okay. Just wanted to make sure.
So that's one group of applications. This is the most important indication. But apart from this is also used for bleeding in hemorrhoids. Why this herb can also do this? On one hand, it enters the lung. On the other hand, it's bitter and cold. Actually, it goes downward. This purge, it goes downward. And another very important reason is that the lung and the large intestine have that special connection. So it works on these two locations. And in Chinese medicine, when we treat the hemorrhoids, we have a group of herbs like Jingjie, like zhike, and so on. Huaihua, Huaijiao. Dou Ling, if there is a lot of heat manifestation, you probably want to add Dou Ling for the heat. We say it can clear heat for large intestine too. And the dosage of Dou Ling is a regular dosage. And don't use the herb at a large dosage, and don't use the herb for a long time, because the acid, aristolic acid, can cause renal failure and can also induce renal cancer. If you use that for too long, the story in Belgium is that people use 防风通圣散 with muton inside, and they use that for weight loss. And they give that to patients to use for 1 year and so on. That triggers the problem. But for lung infection, for this kind of condition, who use that for a whole year, right? So short time use, it should be all right. But in Chinese medicine, because it's bitter and cold, we have special warning. Overdosage, large dosage, tends to cause vomiting. It damages stomach qi because it's bitter and cold, so it can cause vomiting. That's a traditional warning.